Unlocking the power of idioms. Bring the house down. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an idiom that's as dynamic as it is popular. Bring the house down. This phrase is a fantastic example of English's vibrant idiomatic expressions. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, "bring the house down," is used to describe an event or performance that is so successful, impressive, or entertaining that it elicits an overwhelmingly positive response from the audience. This could be thunderous applause, laughter, or even a standing ovation. Interestingly, the house in this idiom refers to a theater or a venue where performances are held, not a residential house. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, "bring the house down," dates back to the world of theater. In the past, if a performance was particularly outstanding, the audience's applause and cheers were so loud and enthusiastic that it metaphorically seemed like the building could collapse from the noise and excitement. This expression captures the spirit of theatrical triumph. To fully grasp any idiom, seeing it in context is key. Here are a few examples of how "bring the house down" can be used. In a sentence, the comedian's final joke was so funny, it brought the house down. Describing a performance, last night's concert was incredible. The band really brought the house down. In everyday conversation, your speech was amazing. You're going to bring the house down at the conference. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, not just related to actual performances but also to describe any situation where someone does something exceptionally well. And that's a wrap on "Bring the House Down." We hope this video has not only entertained you but also added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, idioms like this one are a great way to add color and personality to your language. So, don't shy away from using them in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you soon.